everybody. It's just Jessica. I'm Jessica. I do curse on here, so let's go ahead and get that out of the way. And this is my friend Gerbil.
I will not.
He has.
Oh, she gave away my name. I never said that online. What the hell?
Really? It's not your government name. A lot of people are insulted, like, "Oh, don't say my government name out loud." Well, he's my guest today. He's helping me finally get this intro because I've got one. Was that one you showed me, Kind Master or whatever?
Yeah. See, look, here's where I did the one on my video. Right? There, see? I put your, watch here. See, I put your whole intro in the video.
That's what I need on before my video starts.
Yeah, I put that there because it was yours, and then I started to watch the video, and you're like, I didn't see it. I'm like, yeah, I thought it was obvious. It was in the microwave.
Alright, well, send me that link, because I'm going to put it in the description box of this link, so go check
so
out his
the whole
channel.
Video or just the intro? Because I had the intro.
No, I went the whole video.
Whole video.
Because I like to put my friends' links in my description box and have people go check them out. Now there's no like certain niche you can put them in. It's everything is mixed. Like, oh, today I saw a bird, or like what's the guy's name? The guitar guy, the statue.
Oh, Blind Willie. Yeah, down on Statesboro, there's a Blind Willie statue. Blind Willie McTell, who sung the Statesboro
I need
Blues.
a picture for that. That's like the perfect Instagram picture. Wouldn't you think?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I was going to put that as my cover, but it'd be my Willie. You know?
Yeah.
But yeah, I just do random stuff, and that's why I think I don't get that many views. And like, I have only 30 viewers after like over 2 years. Because YouTube, I don't think their algorithm is set so that if you do a topic, like you mostly do makeup, so you're putting the makeup channel, right? Me, I do all over the place, so YouTube's constantly trying to readjust
like mine's
about
like,
what
it says makeup, thrifting, food, etc.
Yeah, so like it does it based on content, I think, and my content is so varied that every time I do a new video, it tries to put me in a new category. So I never find out.
Are you under entertainment?
I don't know what I'm under.
I think that would be a good one for you because
I'm probably under what, WTF.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing? Let me check that.
Yeah, you should put your category because I mean,
I thought I left it as entertainment, but maybe I didn't. I don't know.
You want something to drink?
Sure. What do you have? I said it before I know what you have.
Generic Pepsi from Save-A-Lots.
Sure. Sounds generic.
All right. Need a straw?
Let me trick you there. I don't know. Is it a can, bottle, or what?
Can.
I'll just take it straight. I'm a man.
Take it straight.
I'm a man.
I don't need it on the rocks. I just take it straight out, straight out.
I don't even know where that adjustment would be, actually. Where would I actually put it? Would it be in the YT app, or is it in the actual
See, look.
YouTube?
Okay. Now. Oh, you sent me the link. Good. So I can copy it.
You told me to. Was I not supposed to? Manage account. That's where I'm at now. Oh, here we go. Google it. No, I don't want to Google it now.
Okay, so like. There's the link. I'll just save that. All right.
I mean, I can give you the link to your whole intro too, because I stole it off.
Well, I don't know how to put it.
Well, that's what we're going to be doing today. That's why I'm here, trying to figure out.
Yeah, so if you watch this video, and if you're lucky and this is all working, then you'll see it before we start talking.
I'm actually working on a video now about my editing. I'm actually trying to make a video of my editing as I'm editing it.
Well, I used the thumbnail maker video that I did.
Yeah.
On how you showed it to me.
Did I show you how to film off your phone directly, like what you're doing on screen?
Like, what's it called? Sound voiceover kind of?
Easy screen recorder, right? You hit this, right? And this little icon comes up. See it? You hit it. And if you hit record, watch. Okay, 3, 2, 1, right? And then it'll record what you're saying, and anything that goes on screen, it's going to show up on the video, right? Let's go ahead and turn that.
What video? You haven't made it yet.
No, it's here, right? I just stopped it, right? And go to my pictures. Go to albums. And it'll be easy screen recording. Now watch.
Oh, so you can do.
Yeah.
So you can record everything you're doing on your screen.
Yeah.
That way you can show people how to.
Exactly. That's why I'm doing it for my editing video. The other thing too is though, if you do have something like Disney Plus or something, and you turn on the screen record app, it'll record the sound off Disney Plus, but not the video. So they have that copy protected. It'll, like YouTube videos will show up, but things
okay. So like with the Kind Master, do you have to? I know they give you a link that you copy when you do your first thing. Do you have to put that in every description box? Because that's like.
What are you talking about?
They give you a link.
Oh, I don't ever mess with that. I just upload.
Yeah, because it says it in the corner.
Oh, I never noticed that.
Like in the intro. It says it in the corner, Kind Master.
Oh yeah, that. You have to pay for the premium to get the Kind Master little thumbnails. Oh, hang on. Let me see. I know what you're talking about here.
Like when you pull up my intro,
I sang last night.
it says it at the very bottom of the right hand side. Do you have to put that like credit in your description box?
Well, let me see if I'm seeing what you're seeing.
Okay,
here.
so what I was saying here is you go to edit.
Yeah, they can't even see what we're talking about.
Oh.
You don't get to know. You don't get to know.
Well, I don't see it now. Oh, advanced settings. So category.
Oh, okay, that's what
And
that
then
is.
you
Under
can
each
pick like
individual one.
entertainment.
Okay.
And this
That's
and
probably
that.
my problem. I probably got all mine mislabeled. Okay, so you're talking about the stamp up here that says Kindmaster? That one? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about something else?
No, it's a tiny little camera.
Let
me see where.
Are you even seeing that? Because I'm not seeing that.
Here, let me go back to these.
In the videos?
Here, I'll
Like
show
when
you.
you play them?
There, this. See?
Wow,
Or is that
I've never seen that.
intro maker?
That says Intro Maker. That's there. I've never. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't have that. That's from Intro Maker. That's probably why that's there. But I did steal your intro.
You did?
Yeah, of course I did.
Oh, for
How
your
do you think I got it
video.
on my video? Yeah.
Oh, I thought.
There's a way I can download. You can. There's a app I have that downloads videos. Like, okay, I can't do it directly off YouTube because there's copyright laws and won't let you download it directly off YouTube anymore. But where'd it go? This one, All Video Downloader. If you go to like a Facebook page and copy the link and put it in there, it'll let you download the videos. And it does it off a lot of sites.
Here we go. I'm a little bit too duh for all that. I need someone to show me on my computer, step by step.
You know, that may be problematic because I've never used your computer.
It's all yours. I just got it,
Yeah.
so I do know like the
very
basics,
fancy.
like emails and all that crap.
Let me just go to this.
And that's normally that's all I do. I never get like really into it. But now
Yeah.
it's kind of like I have to. Unless you want to come over every week.
I mean, maybe.
Yeah, it might just happen.
I don't have a whole lot of doing. I don't know where that video went. I don't know what folder it's in. I can't remember. Easy.
Okay. See, now here it says, now check it out. This is a Chromebook, which I'm supposed to be getting like,
Yeah.
hold on, like my apps and stuff in here.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if I see you.
Let's just get-
Yeah. See? Yeah, right there on my phone.
Yeah. I'm that ravey. I kind of
Whoa,
took that
I
from
just
my
pulled
German days with me.
German days.
Yeah.
German. That's right, you did have German days.
Yeah.
Here's the intro.
23 days,
Her
23 year
stolen intro
days.
that I took. So I put in my videos to promote her with Dance and Sing. I was gonna take it and like add a bunch of stuff to it just for fun, but I didn't get around to it. Check this out though.
There was a
You see
thing
this?
here
Check
where I
this out.
could pull up my apps, but I'm
Yeah, let me get back to this.
trying to get to my apps. Okay. How do I get to my... Oh, here it is, I think. Right here. There we go. See? So, it has a Play Store, like, just like an Android does.
Right.
But it only shows shit like this.
In that ratio?
Yeah, you see how it's kind of like cut off?
Huh.
So, I might have to look for something different. And
But no, it doesn't, because there's some that show it differently. Those are different aspect ratios.
it's just...
But so it's going to be the right aspect ratio. It's got to be where to change it then.
I don't know.
Go on the gear.
Where?
Upper left. There. Click on gear. Oh, we got to click out the cyberpunk thing. It's not letting you go. Click on the cyberpunk again, maybe. I don't know. Now I don't want to do anything. You
Yeah.
broke it.
Well, I think maybe I should just uninstall the bitch. I don't know.
Go back into it. I'll try again.
Okay, where did I get that from?
I don't know. I thought it was down there with the taskbar.
No.
And it went bye-bye.
Now I'm on YouTube again.
Yeah, it went bye-bye. It was down there. It's moved. So it's got to be in your app somewhere then.
Let's go to Play Store.
So you actually get views for talking like this when not showing them anything that you're doing? That's impressive. They're like, watch this going, I
They're
can't see
watching the
anything.
side of my
We could
face,
be
like-
lying. We could be totally making up what we're doing.
Yeah, just so y'all can get lost and not grow as fast as we do.
Check this out, though. Check this out.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's some bank robbing stuff right there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's expensive stuff.
I'm going to show them.
Yeah.
This is a video one of my friends had on Facebook the other day. Let me get my finger trying to turn that on. Not much. Her hair goes from that to that and totally changes. Like, that's not my friend in it. She just posted the video. But I was like,
That is gorgeous.
She could rob a bank and just flip her hair and people be like, oh, that ain't hers.
Oh, she went that way with green hair.
Yeah, and it'd be like all like black.
Yeah, that is so cool.
I bet you
Val would like something.
But I bet you on a windy day, that's terrible. I bet you it doesn't even work.
I bet it's kind of cool, you know, like, even if you
Remember
part it in the
Terminator 2?
middle. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Oh, shit.
That's Chico.
So, I don't know what kind of intro maker to get, or can we possibly...
Well, if you're on Google Play, you can get... I just made it...
Or can we possibly get that intro maker? Because I have it saved
I don't have an intro
videos.
maker. I make them. I just realized I made my entire intro maker, my intro on KindMaster because I'm crafty like that. Did you see my bamboo video? I sped it up for that one.
Well, is there a way we can get that video that you have and that I have to be in front of our video?
There has to be a way.
All right. Well, we're gonna work on it. Okay, I have it in my YouTube studio.
Did I send it to you? Do you have an email? Do you have an email?
I have it actually in my email.
Okay.
So let me
So
go
you should be able to save
to
it to the
Gmail.
computer off the Gmail. Doggy. Yes.
There, see, there it is, right here. So let's open it.
Yeah. Hit the little down.
Oh, the download. Oops, shit.
Yeah. Oops, there was a problem playing this video. Download. Download it anyway. There it goes. It's downloading. It's going to somewhere. Who knows? Wherever your downloads go to, probably download. Okay, show and folder. Because it's completed.
Show and folder. Okay.
So now we'll know where the location is theoretically. It's in downloads, that's good. And you have at least 3 copies of it now.
Yeah, see it? So how do I get
Okay,
it?
are you editing your videos on your computer?
I just do the thumbnail. And
I mean,
this is the description box.
Right, but when you're generally editing your videos, are you using KindMaster or are you using it in your computer? Or where are you doing that?
I just go to my YouTube. And I just do like whatever.
How can you edit that on YouTube? You're not editing.
Well, what I'm
That's
doing is
the
I'm
issue.
adding on in screens. That's all I need.
Oh, I don't answer. See, you need to. Well, are you recording your video? Are you all live streaming or are you recording the video first?
Huh?
All your videos, do you just live stream all of
I
them?
just record it like this.
But
And then I take it out and stick it in there.
Okay. And then you upload it that way.
Mm-hmm.
But you're not doing any editing in the meantime.
No, I don't know how to.
I know, that's what I'm just making sure I'm following. That's all I'm saying. I know you don't. Okay. So, what we need is some sort of editing program. Now, given you have a Chromebook, that's going to make it easier because we use the App Store rather than doing the stupid shit with Windows I wouldn't know because I haven't used Windows enough lately.
Alright, so let's go to Chromebook.
Yeah, go to the Play Store.
Now that we know we definitely have this
And just put in
downloaded.
KindMaster. Or Kinemaster. I've never figured out what it is. Because Kinema is like German or something for cinema.
Yeah,
So I don't know
it's Kino
Kino?
is the movies. K-I-N-O.
Well,
Search
K-I-N-E, K-I-N-E, there's a word, some language for cinema, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, anyway. I don't know if it's kind or Kina, or Kine, I don't know, could be anything.
So, that's it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go install this biatch.
Because I know it pretty well. And that'll work, even though you have to get, unless you don't want the thumb mark in, you have to pay for the upgrade, but I'm not going to do it because I'll promote them all
Same
day
here,
long.
yeah. No,
Okay.
I
really don't care because I don't need that upper.
Busted the house.
I don't need the upper right of my screen for anything. It's useless. Just like in the thumbnail, the bottom right, don't put anything there. It's useless because that's where I put the timestamp. I see so many people do that. Like
that's true.
people
yeah.
I've like channels I've watched that have been on the air for like 10 years. They'll still put words right in the corner there and you can't read them. I'm like, am I the only one that picked up on this? Come on, people. Oh, you don't like your ear? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I don't think.
Or just, people are talking about compressing your videos, and I'm like,
KindMaster already does that.
automatically.
Yeah, when I film on my phone for like a 5-minute video, it's almost a gig, and when I compress it, it's several megabytes.
Now,
So,
see, I would go out of the way and get a new phone and all this, but see, this phone still works.
Yeah. Well, mainly, I mean,
it can't do what other phones do. I don't even believe I can put a SIM card in here.
How can you not have a... Oh, it's a SIM-less card, yes. Some of those do.
Some of them
but see,
do,
if you
I'm
can,
sure.
see, you won't need all
I
that
just
much...
kind of like bought it off the rip.
But you won't need all that much power for what you do, depending. But, you know, your main issue is going to be storage size.
Well, the storage is what the SIM card's there for, right?
No. The SD card is there for storage. The SIM card is what basically turns your phone into a phone, has your information, like your phone number on stuff for the phone company. Some phones don't use SIM cards, some do. Some companies don't even bother with them. They just have like built-in phone, which is kind of annoying because you can't switch it to another company that way. But I finally got it where I can open my SIM card tray. When I bought this phone like a year and a half ago, I had a case that I was putting on it, and it was a case from Apple, but it fit basically. But it was a little loose, so I was super gluing it around the edges to hold it in place. And I accidentally one time dropped super glue right in the hole to open my SD card slot. Oh. So for a year and a half, I've not been able to change the SD card slot. And finally,
I would
the other
have put
day,
I would have roughened up a matchstick or a toothpick and put some nail polish remover on it.
I thought about it, but I was worried that if I did that, it might somehow get inside and mess up the electronics.
You want to be on TV? Look at her.
Yes, I do. I do. So. Yeah, I was just afraid because I was thinking too if I put like a sponge, a small sponge with some nail polish remover, did it this way maybe. But I was afraid if it got in the electronics in any way, you know, the phone would be.
Yeah, that's what
I didn't
want
to take the risk because I'm like I know my luck, and my luck would be that it would die. So
let's let it allow to do everything. Yeah, just.
We shall allow.
Big Brother is here.
Should be okay. We can skip all this. I already know this because I am. Well, that's a pretty good trick there. Yeah. It's showing all its basic editing tricks there. But just skip through it, I think. And we can, oh, is yours not touchscreen? What the hell?
No, it's not a touchscreen. You're like, what the hell?
I don't know how, okay. Skip, yeah, start. There. I've learned enough tricks. Tips and tricks on KindMaster YouTube channel. Yes, okay.
Okay, so how do I...
That's if you want the premium plan. Plus, there. And then we go to media. And then there we go.
Oh my gosh.
Put that there. Now, your video is going to be there. Check. And if you have another video you want to add, you just click on wherever it is. But you don't
okay, so it's in...
Because you don't have your videos on here, but that's what they
So I have to add my videos to this?
Yeah, you'd have to. You don't have to because you can pull them straight off the SD card. You just put the SD card in and put it on here.
So, we're going to try that now. Let me tell you
this trick. Unless you've saved the video to your computer off of KindMaster, it is pulling from the files directly. So if you add it from the SD card and remove the SD card before you save this,
it's not going to save it.
It'll just have the stuff that's on the computer there and save file missing, basically. But if you save it to computer, like when you're done here, you go here, right? And then if you click on this again, there's options to save, right? You go to share and it'll have a save, right? Export, and that's how you get it to your computer. So unless you've exported it to your computer, all right, we'll close out of that. Back, where's the back? I don't know, Chromebook well enough. They're supposed to, oh, there it is. Okay, that's just how we do that. Okay, so there. Oh, did I close it out entirely? No.
Just open it again.
I did. I don't know how to navigate.
All right, we're going to figure this out, and we'll see you on the next round because there's definitely going to be a next round.
Next round, round 2.
This dodo.